Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Another beautiful day in West Sussex. As you can see, me and the boy Reggie are off to retro rides in Goodwood, Chichester. DTC's running, all warmed up, ready to go. We are on our way. Reggie wants a retro t-shirt, Daddy wants a retro t-shirt. Reggie's favourite retro car is a Toyota Supra, so hopefully the one Martin's friend's one, Aid is there hopefully with his, or somebody's there with one. Daddy's looking for retro VWs and Porsches. We've got our retro gear on and we're going retro in ride. Woo! We are here at Goodwood.
Francis's dad's into cars.
We've got a man walking down through the tunnel.
He's going to be scared.
We don't want to deafen him. We don't want to deafen you. Woo! We're here. Goodwood Race Circuit, retro rides. Reggie's got his wallet, looking to buy something cool and retro. And look at the metal on display. 944 on BBS LM. Look at that. That looks sweet. Nice colour as too. Look at that. Come all the way from Denmark. Oh, Germany, yeah. I just saw the plates. We used to put those on our cars for fun. On our Mark II Golfs, and not actually be from Germany, just put them on there. Americana, look at these bad boys. Woo! Look at the colour, as Reggie pointed out, Dukes of Hazzard colour. It is a Ford Landon. And the Fury, Plymouth Grand Fury, is that? Yeah. Look at the dashboard on these things. They don't mess around. Oh, fire up the Quattro. Cool car. Oh, Z3M. Another cool car. Scirocco, they're just pouring in. E36 M3, rare one that pickle, cloth Vader seats. That is an early one. That's probably just a standard early 280 brake. Very cool. We'll find Martin's G60 slammed on BBS RS. Mark II bad boy Golf. Parked next to the lovely G40 supercharged Polo. Martin's car looking sweet in the sun. Never seen this car in the flesh, heard lots about it.
This is a Volkswagen.
Know Martin well, but he's got so many cars you don't get to see them all at the same time. Mega lowrider display at Goodwood. Look at all the chrome. Chrome. Some very cool Americana on display at Goodwood. Just in the paddocks now and looking at all the mental race car stuff. Look at that transit van, Mark I Escorts, Mark II Escorts. Another Mark I about to come out there. Mark 1s, Lotus Cortinas, Mark 3s, looks like some touring car stuff, Scat Electrics, American muscle cars. Check out the BTCC Vauxhall Cavalier touring car. Look at that, that is super retro cool. Back in the days, watching these things on the TV. Reggie's found one his size, but Daddy's found one his size. Look at that bad boy. Air-cooled section, obviously a bit of my favourites in here. Bit of Porsches. 993, 993, 964, Splitties, Bays. Air-cooled madness. Look at the beach buggies. That is a car that you want to be in today going down the beach. 100%. Look at the old Citroens. People forget they're air-cooled as well.
Oh, that's old.
Fastback. Look at that sandbar, opening safari windows, so cool. Another 993, Beetles galore. Check out some of these Beetles. Look at the colour of that candy apple red, gold wheels, chrome galore. That is a nice whip. Now that's a bit of my father. Beach buggy galore. Your granddad had one of these, Reg, in the 60s when people started doing them. In fact, my mum, your nan, met your granddad.
Yeah.
We're all here today because of one of these cars, because my mum, your nanny, met my dad, your granddad Pops, and she wanted to go out in his beach buggy. That was why they went out on a date. They got married, I was born, and now you're here. So you can thank these cars. Mark 1 wide arch, full race rally car. Check out the inside. Absolutely mega, that thing. God, that must be so much fun. All white zone. Lots of cool cars in very cool colours, including a Volvo off-roader. Check out that bad boy. We could do that to our one, Reg. Check her out, BMW 840M Alpina wheels. Is that Techno Violet? Very dirty, but very cool. Don't get much cooler than this guy's E30 M3 touring car replica of the Jägermeister monster car. Look at that. That is what you call seriously cool. The Batmobile. Wow, look at that. That's what you call a race car, yeah?
And this was even 10 times cooler.
Wow, look at that. It's a graffiti type car. Hoonigan. That's a 5 Series, that one, Pickle. This is a serious racer. Bit Club Tropicana on the back.
Now, I think I found another Supra.
Did you?
Yeah, I'm not too sure.
Sega Rally, guys, eat your heart out. Lancia Stratos. Absolutely insane car. And if you like a Lancia, well, you'll love this stand because it is the Lancia club stand. So Fulvia's, and of course HF Turbo Evolution, which is just insane. Them arches. Mental car. Volvo, Reg, look at it.
Oh, that's a rally Volvo.
That's a touring car, Volvo.
Oh, no, that
I saw this car on Facebook. Estorial blue, E36, M3 Evolution. I had a few of these in my time. Beautiful car. Nice to see a standard one.
Oh my god.
Especially with the Evo wheels as well. Vader seats. Silver grey leather. He's found his favourite car, or one of his favourite cars. So what is this, Reg?
Toyota Supra.
Toyota Supra. Has a carbon fibre spoiler. Reggie's got a thing about Toyota Supras after watching the Fast and Furious.
Yes.
It's not orange though.
If it was orange, that Paul Walker would love it.
Paul Walker would love it.
Oh, that, yeah, that's my favourite car.
That's your favourite car?
Yeah, I can
It needs a paint job, it could be orange. Just to please Reg, there's a Volvo club stand.
Cabin, Volvo.
One of them's even got a cooker in the back. Volvos. How can you not love a Volvo?
That one looks like a Toyota.
We should have bought the Volvo.
Italy Porsches.
Yeah, and a Skyline as well coming in there. White R33 V-Spec. GTO, GTS, Looks like we've found the Porsche club stand. Air-cooled ones anyway. Very cool. Slammed early 911s. A couple of 914s as well. And keeping in tradition, VW Beetle on the end. Retro music from a retro van at a retro show.
GTR.
Yep, number plate says it all, Reg. What is it? Skyline
Nissan Skyline.
GTR. Looks totally factually standard as well. I think it might be a V-spec. Totally standard car, which is quite rare, even on the original wheels, which is certainly rare to see. Same colour one as I had. You don't need doors on a Jeep Wrangler, buddy. Not when you're rummaging through the desert, you don't need doors. Martin's G60, slammed on BBS RS. Mark II, bad boy Golf. Parked next to the lovely G40 supercharged Polo. Martin's car looking sweet in the sun. Never seen this car in the flesh, heard lots about it.
This is a Volkswagen.
Know Martin well, but he's got so many cars you don't get to see them all at the same time. A Mitsubishi Evo 6, and it might be a Tommy Mackinnon one looking at it. Tommy Mackinnon one picker was like a special rally edition. Not sure it is because it doesn't say Mackinnon, but it is seriously cool. Well, that's it, guys. That's us all carred out. We're now back in DTC on our way home, and the sun is starting to set. The crowds are still here. We're following this lovely Mark I Golf out and still looking back at all the other cars we missed as we headed out of the pit straight. So thanks very much for watching. Remember, guys, like and subscribe and keep the Dan's Timeless Classic dream alive. Thanks very much from me and from Reggie.